Twitter lit up when the US failed to qualify for the World Cup. Hey guys, what's up? It's Angela Struck here for the Fumble. To find out the hottest sports news and gossip, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our notification squad. Well, for the first time since 1986, the US men's team will not be going to the World Cup. A 2-1 loss to Trinidad and Tobago, coupled with wins by Honduras and Panama, means the US does not qualify for the 2018 World Cup in Russia. After giving up 2 goals in the first half, the US just couldn't make a comeback. Are you surprised the men's team didn't qualify, or did you see it coming? Let me know in the comments below. Well, a lot of Americans were pissed. They took to Twitter to vent their frustration, saying, quote, "Every American is currently doing a DNA swab to find out who to cheer for in the 2018 World Cup. Quote, I need a drink for a month straight. Quote, couldn't imagine the US men's national team laying an egg tonight after Friday's win, but it happened. At the worst possible time. No excuse for that. None. Quote, no 2018 World Cup for the US. This is devastating for millions of Americans who fake care about the event every 4 years. Quote, replace our men's national team with these guys. And lastly, quote, this US men's national team embodied some of our worst stereotypes, bloated and entitled. Given global political climate, plenty glad we're out of the World Cup, I bet. Are you sad the US won't be in the World Cup, or are you like many of the millions of Americans who actually just don't care? Let me know in the comments below. For the hottest sports news and gossip, like, subscribe, and comment below. And be sure to shop the Fumble store for the latest game time gear.